Hi my friends, I am Monica. In this session I will discuss a new word for you, and the word is anachronistic. Can you guess the meaning of the word anachronistic from the following image? I am giving you some option. Anachronism comes from the Greek roots ana, which means against, and chron, which means time. Together they represent a situation in which something happens that should not, because it belongs to another time period. Now that you know what anachronistic means, let's take a look at some sentences to see how you can use it in your daily conversation. Sentence 1 is, since there were not laptop computers during the Civil War, the presence of a portable computer in the history film is a definite anachronism. Sentence 2 is, these days the habit of introducing yourself to a new neighbor with a welcome gift has become an anachronism.